Hi, loves. How are you doing? How is your day? How is your week? How is your month? How is everything? Hopefully, you're doing great, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we have this hair tutorial. I don't know if we should call this hair micro twists or mini twists, but whatever it is, and I'll be taking you guys step by step. And in today's video is very beginners tutorial. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back. But if you're new to this family, welcome. My name is Glorim Tui, and before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumb up, because if you do so, YouTube will push this video to more people. And don't forget to subscribe and to leave your comments in comment section. I use this hair. This is Mali hair, and I use total of 3 packs. I'll be using all sun hair wax to part the sections and to get clean and neat sections. So I go ahead and part my hair. You may either decide to go with the section you want. My client, she doesn't want too small but not so big, so I go with smaller but not tiny. And then I section my hair for the first time, and then I apply hair wax, and then I redo the line again to get clean and neat sections. So after I finish, I make sure I will know exactly how many sections I'm going to braid every line before I even start to braid. And because I wanted to know how many section I'm going to braid before I start to braid, it means I go ahead and part all the sections, apply some hair wax, and then roll the sections and make sure all the sections are even. I realize when you do that, you'll get the same size, because you will not get bigger or small size. Wherever you find that this size is bigger than others, it's so easy for you to repart again and get the same size of your sections. So after I finish, then this is how all the sections look like. This is the amount of hair I'll be using in every single section. And to start, I will start with 3-way braids, just like the way we do regular braids. So 2 strand will be Mali hair, while the 3rd strand will be her natural hair. It doesn't matter how short the hair is, make sure the 3rd strand will be his or her natural hair. I braid couple times to make sure the hair is well secured. You may either braid 10 times or 8 times. Then I section the hair into 2. And before I start to make twists, I make sure I apply a little more of hair wax on her natural hair, so that I'll be able to tuck in her natural hair well, because I want her to keep this hairstyle for a little bit longer. So you have to make sure you know how to tuck in your natural hair. Then I keep twisting until the end of this twist. And when I keep braiding, I realize that one side is smaller while other side is big. So I make sure I borrow a tiny hair from one side, then I add to the side which has fewer hair. Then I keep twisting. And sometimes it's a bit tricky to twist in the end of the twist, because in the end the hair is small, and then it's also a bit hard to keep twisting. So this is how I twist the hair in the end, and I find it so easy, and it takes short time compared with just rolling like the way we used to do, or like the way I do from the beginning. And then I go till the end. So one more time, hold your hair together while the 3rd strand will be natural hair. Make sure before you start to braid, one the middle finger, pull the middle section up while other hand grab the hair from right side. Hopefully this makes sense. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Please replay this video again so that you will understand what I'm talking, because sometimes it's a bit tricky to explain how to braid hair. And then I keep braiding couple times, maximum is 10 times. After that, I apply some hair wax on her natural hair, and then I start to make twists. And when I make twists, I make sure always I tuck her hair, because I don't want her hair to show out, and she wants to keep this hair style for a while or for a long time.
Denim jeans, broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket. Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you caught it. You caught it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Meet under the street light at the so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Meet under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden. Hey, you're golden. You're golden.
So as I keep braiding, some section the hair looks shorter, and some section the size is perfect. So this is how I add hair when I see the section is shorter. I take a tiny piece, not too tiny, and then I put in between two sides, and then I keep twisting. If you didn't get it, keep watching, because I show several sections how to add hair. And once you add hair like that, it will be knotless. You can't see where I add hair. So in case the first method I use is that it doesn't work for you, use this method, like the way we braid knotless or sections, but the same two strands are extensions or Mali hair, while the third strand is her natural hair. And then I braid couple times before I turn my hands, and keep doing regular braids. And then I do exactly the same thing after I go like 10 times or 8 times. Then I apply hair wax on her natural hair, and then I start to tuck in. Then I keep twisting the hair. I keep twisting, going, roll and twist, roll and twist. One more time, I take a tiny piece, I put in between while my thumb finger is in between to hold the hair at the middle, so that when I twist the first side, the hair will not slide. And then after there, you're good to go. Keep twisting, rolling and twisting, rolling and twisting, just like the way we do regular twists. So here I'm done with section, and to prepare the base to the whole head, and now I'm going to finish the tail. So I keep adding and then twisting, twisting and twisting until I finish her hair.
Bodies laid on the carpet, eye to eye, glistening. No, I saw it. I saw it. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you know it. Me under the street like at the young, so I could show you. You're golden, golden. Honestly, you're glowing. Me under the mezzanine just so that I could show you. You're golden.
And finally, I'm done with twists, and I'll go ahead and apply some hair mousse on her hair to remove all excess products on her scalp. And then I apply some olive olive oil hairspray to make her hair shining. And this is the final look for today's video. Kindly let me know in comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle? Would you like to rock this hair? So guys, I love you so much, and I hope you get something from this video. And if yes, don't forget to give this video a big thumb up, please, and share with your loved one you wish they know how to make this hairstyle. I love you guys. Bye.